All right, guys, we have a very quick buy signal on. Okay, there you go, 15 lot size. Let me start to take profit very quickly because the market is moving very fast. Okay, today is the 20th of September 2023. We started this account with $250. Okay, and yeah, we started with $250. Look at how quick the market is moving to profit. Let me just set on that just in case. And yeah, so far we've made a profit. We've made a withdrawal of over $10,000. Look at all that profit over the last 5 months. Most of them you've watched the video. If you want, and yeah, so far we've made over $54,000 in profit. If you want to buy the course to learn how to do this and get the software also comes with the course. I'm teaching you live with live trades how to scalp, live trades how to hedge, live trades how to swing. We'll be taking closer to profit. We'll be taking live trades. We'll be taking live trades. The profit is distracting me. We'll be taking live trades in the course. Okay, it's an average of about a 3-hour course where we'll be taking live trades. And yeah, it might be more, it might be less, depends on how many opportunities we see in the market so far. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with Million Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 to $150 to $500 in your account. And also, if you want to test my software for 2 weeks, sign up in Million Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account and send me proof of that, both the copy trade and the testing of my software for 2 weeks on WhatsApp and Telegram. And yeah, I'll tell you what to do next. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market because it's wasting a bit of time. We'll see. And there you go, guys. The take profits was hit just now. I wasn't able to record it very quickly. And yeah, you see the software was able to help me make this profit. The market tried to fool down money by going down a bit, but I was able to hold and we came out with $275 in profits total so far. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll be right back once we have more trades in the market. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. It's currently on a discount till the end of the month so that you can be part of the top 1% who is using hedging and who is taking advantage of the market and making as much profits and compounding as fast as I am. It's not hard, it's not difficult. You don't have to use support and resistance. You don't have to guess and gamble. You can trade confidently, knowing what you're doing, knowing where the market is going, knowing where to exit. All the analysis done by the software. You can also get that on TradingView, which is what I also always recommend. And yeah, we'll see how this plays out and when we have another opportunity in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. And there's news tomorrow, so be careful. And yeah, be right back.